Al-Qaim, Al-Qaim, it is a place to be. Al-Qaim, Al-Qaim, will you come with me? Al-Qaim, Al-Qaim, together we will be the helpers of Iman and strengthen our Iman. The helpers of Iman and strengthen our Iman. Inshallah.
As-Salam-o-Alaikum, Hannah. How are you today?
Walaikum As-Salam, Yunus. I'm fine, Alhamdulillah. How about yourself?
I'm good, Alhamdulillah. Let me show you something really amazing I made.
Oh, what is it?
Have a look at this.
Is that the Arabic letter Aleph?
Huh? No, my dear friend. It is the new moon. A new moon is very thin, and sometimes we can't even see it in the sky. That is when the Islamic month begins.
Aha! Dear friends, do you know how many Islamic months are there? We have 12 Islamic months. Let's listen to this poem and see what their names are.
These are the months in Islam. These are the months in Islam. Muharram, Safar, Rabi'ul Awwal, Rabi'ul Thani. These are the months in Islam. Jamadil Awwal, Jamadil Thani, Rajab and Sha'ban. Ramadan, 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 and Shawwal, Dhul Qa'dah and Dhul Hijjah. These are the months in Islam. Muharram, Safar, Rabi'ul Awwal, Rabi'ul Thani. These are the months in Islam. Jamadil Awwal, Jamadil Thani, Rajab and Sha'ban. Ramadan, 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 and Shawwal, Dhul Qa'dah and Dhul Hijjah. These are the months in Islam.
MashaAllah. I hope you enjoyed that poem. Now, let's have a look at the different phases of the moon. Once the new moon appears, after a few days, we see a crescent, which later becomes a half moon. After 14 days, we can see a full bright moon. The full moon starts shrinking and becomes smaller and smaller and smaller until it's completely gone. I can't see it anymore. Where did it go, I wonder?
Does that mean the Islamic month is going to end?
That's right.
Subhanallah, that is just so amazing.
Well, dear friends, it's time for us to leave. I hope you enjoyed learning about the moon. See you again next time, inshallah. As-Salam-o-Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.